What is going on, guys? My name is Robert. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Alienware m15 laptop. Now, this is a brand new laptop Alienware just came out with, and this is the slimmest, most compact model that Alienware has ever made. Now, on my channel, I typically talk about different business opportunities, investing, day trading, and today I'm doing an unboxing video. Surprise, surprise. I think this is going to be pretty interesting. Now, the reason I want to make this video on this channel specifically is when I first started looking into making money online, I didn't know what hardware to have, like what proper computer I needed to edit software, to edit my YouTube videos. I didn't know what kind of computer I needed. I didn't know what kind of camera I needed. The list goes on. And sort of one of the things that kept me from actually starting for a long time. So I did a lot of research on my own. But I'm sort of going to help you guys out. I think this is a very capable laptop, and it's probably the best laptop you're going to be able to use to make money online in 2019. When you're working from your computer, you're spending a lot of time on your computer. You want something that can process information quickly. You don't want your mind working faster than the computer because that's just annoying. So you want something that is capable, has a good processor. So you just want an all-around good computer for daily use. Now, I may have went overkill with this laptop since it's like a gaming laptop. I think the gaming industry, they have to, shove a lot of powerful components in their laptops so that they can run these high resolution games. And I think that's a pretty good idea as far as an everyday use laptop, as long as it's pretty compact and slim and easy to carry. In my opinion, I think it's a really good laptop all around, and it's really lightweight for what it's got going on inside. I am by no means a tech guy at all. I like doing business. I like making money on the internet. And I think you have to have good hardware for that. So this is just my opinion on what a really good laptop to use as far as editing YouTube videos, setting up an online store, setting up an Amazon store, creating your own software, running your own software, your own marketing agency. The list goes on. There's a whole lot of things that you can do, and most of them you could be done on a phone, but you always want to have a computer, and I think this is the one. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing process. Alright guys, so right out of the box, let's see, this box it's pretty cool. I mean, it has the Alienware outline of the laptop, and it says Alienware in like silver lettering. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to the box. As you can see here, it just has the 15, maybe that's for 15 inch, I don't know. I'm not a tech guy, so don't come at me when I have my facts wrong about this thing. I know that it has an Intel Core i7 8th generation, and a really good graphics card. It has the GTX 1060, I believe. So it's going to be pretty good as far as performance, all around performance. It's made for obviously gaming, but this is what you get when you open the box. I don't know if you guys can see that. I like this. Looks like it's some good padded foam. This is a pretty pricey laptop as far as laptops go. It's not like in the Apple price range, but I mean, it's for an everyday use laptop. It's up there. I mean, and here we have, looks like we have the charging cable. Yeah, so that's all you have in the box. And let's just take this bad boy out and see what's going on with it here. So this is it, guys. This is the most compact Alienware laptop. I've seen Alienware laptops before, like in store and stuff, and they're massive. They're absolutely they're huge bricks. It's because they're running some powerful internals. But this thing looks pretty compact. I hope you guys can see that there. Oh yeah, it looks like we have something else in the box here. Just talking about Alienware, the brand. And let me put this down. There's an envelope with, that's just the manual. It's pretty cool. I like this little black. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's some basic stuff here, but it's the details that count. So it looks like you're gonna get a pretty nice finish on this laptop too. It looks like a MacBook Pro finish, like an aluminum. So far, I'm really pleased with what I see here. I like this a lot. Oh. All right. Well, now that we have it out of the box, I'm going to open this thing up. As you guys can see, this thing is brand new. Now they were hyping this up on Instagram quite a bit. I know that I saw the Alienware Instagram and they were totally promoting this thing for the past few months. It's available to purchase now. And I think it just came out for purchase. Okay, I'll do that later. What I really like about it is like how sturdy it feels as a laptop in general. It just feels like it's made out of some high quality material. Like I said before, it's the Core i7 8th generation. It's a really powerful processor for an all-around computer. Yeah guys, this is a really well-built laptop. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is the Alienware M15 laptop. And as I said before, you need a good computer to take with you. And if you're trying to make money online, you better have something that will provide you the sufficient amount of power. I know everyone goes with MacBooks. A lot of these online entrepreneurs use MacBooks. But I was already running and I was already used to the Windows software. So I was like, I might as well get something that is compatible to a MacBook Pro. I mean, obviously it's more capable for gaming. But with that being said, it has a lot of performance capabilities. I'm gonna go over some of the specs on this laptop for you guys. So this is the brand new Alienware M15 laptop. It has a full 15.6 inch display with an HD webcam, which is pretty cool for live streaming and stuff like that. So like if I want to live stream, I could just use a webcam on this laptop. It's pretty handy that it's an HD camera. And like I said before, it comes with the 8th generation Core i7. This is a really good processor. Look into the processor for the computer that you use currently. This is probably one of the more capable processors. Whatever guys, like I said before, I'm not a tech channel, so if YouTube for some reason decides to promote this video and a lot of people see it and see me reviewing this laptop, like I said before, I'm not a tech channel, but I think it's important as an entrepreneur and as a money-making machine. If you're gonna use the internet as your tool and your resource to make money, you need some good hardware. And that is literally the point of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this laptop. Honestly, it's probably like I'm falling in love with it the more I mess around with it. I just love the finish on it. I love the way it feels. It's very like, it feels like a high quality product in my honest opinion. I'll keep you guys updated on it. I plan on doing a lot of traveling in the next year, so that is why I need to move my workstation to something that I can take around with me. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna link this down below if you guys wanna go check it out. It's pretty neat, honestly, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting this channel. All right, guys, that being said, make sure to hit the notification bell, subscribe if you enjoyed this. Honestly, it's probably the worst unboxing video you've ever seen, but it's my first time doing it. I don't know anything about angles, yada, yada, but that just shows that you don't need a lot of experience and knowledge to go do something. You just need to try to do it, and you'll see if you're good at it or not. I will see you guys next time.